So Trinidadian wicketkeeper batsman Nicholas Pooran has been officially appointed West Indies ODI and T20 captain. It is what it is, and it happened. But in terms of being a monumental game changer for the West Indies team, as it is with most of the chopping and changing of captains across the spectrum of cricket, it is highly overrated. Cricket results are generally based more on individual player quality and overall team efficiency than captaincy. I would rate captaincy at about 10% importance, with bowler competence 35%, batting competence 35%, and fielding competence the other 20%. So basically, captaincy is not a game changer in cricket. And I said all of that to say that I like Nicholas Pooran as captain. He has already shown a good cricket brain, and the players seem to react well to him. But if you ask me, the most important thing that Pooran needs to do as West Indies captain, I would say make runs. Yes. Lead from the front with performance. But you see this thing about setting the field and bowling changes and blah, 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 overrated. Good luck to Nicholas Pooran. They will need the luck. Good luck.